Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to start buying or selling on Etsy? Creating an Etsy account is quick, free, and only takes few minutes, whether you plan to shop or open your own store later. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create an Etsy account in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what you need before starting: prepare valid email address, strong password, phone access, and stable internet connection. So it takes less than 2 minutes. Okay, so now go to Etsy website or app, like for example www.etsy.com, or download Etsy from Apple Store or Google Play. Open the home page, click sign in or register, click sign in top right, or select register. So in our case, as you can see here on the screen, we have enter your email or use one of the applications like Google or Facebook or Apple. Okay, so you can create an account using these things. Okay, so email sign up gives full control. Okay, so enter account details if using email, enter email address, enter first name, create password, click register, then verify your email, check your email inbox, open its verification email, click confirm accounts, and verification activates your account. Okay, or you can, for example, choose one of these options and you can directly sign in or sign up to the application. Okay, so after login, add profile picture, set preferences, and save shipping address. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.